Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoswasi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Hayi bachameke kangaka bosisi after seeing uThabo Bester anamuhla vele e-court lapha eBloemfontein, and people are saying ukuthi man, this guy is so fine man, and some are even saying ukuthi hey, we don't blame uNandi Phakisana and noma engangibani la bekangathatheka. This guy is so handsome. Appeared court get today. He seemed very calm and collected today. Athulile athe do atlini ini, and people noticed ukuthi hayi lo mfana avayishaya ekotini or ekotini uyishaya ngisho asejele. So today he was wearing Louis Vuitton, and people said ukuthi we uyayidla indwangu nangumfana nangu. So some people were saying ukuthi ngathi bangeta abantu othatha bo baby daddy babo bakhiphe uBester. Some were saying ukuthi abafuni nje nokusho ukuthi bayamblame kuNandipha because nabo bebangathatheka. This guy is so charming, and namhla bekathulile athe do leso sikhathi uNandipha shame yambona ukuthi ngazuthi ugele uyapherisha stress sementana. Some people are even saying ukuthi she looks tired, she looks old, angathi akusasuye uNandipha Magudumane. Bekathulile nje abasendi le nto yabo le bebayenda kuqala ukuthi mabahlangana ecourt basmayilelane babambane, ubone ukuthi my love bed or my love beds ayathandzana. These days it's like munemuntu utinakela ibhizinisi yakhe njena, munemuntu uyatibuda nje uyatiqabangela ukuthi we ngitfake tukwane. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.
What has caused the delay in the arrangements is that there is an interlocutory application that is pending dealing with the section 35 of accused number 7, who is the applicant in those proceedings.